Yo, what's good homies? Cody Flom. I'm back here at the Lucky Warehouse, and today I want to run through the Lucky 2019 Prospect Complete. I have to say that this is definitely my favorite scooter in the new Lucky 2019 range. So right now I have with me 2 of the 4 colorways this scooter comes in, and to start things off, we have right at the top the Lucky Vice grips and bar ends. These grips are super durable and are 100% designed to absorb the impact of all like your hard landings. So moving down, we have the Lucky aluminum air bars. These bars are 24 inches high by 23 inches wide. And moving down, we have the Lucky double clamp, which is fitted with 2 6mm Allen bolts. This clamp is designed perfectly to fit around any oversized bars and hold them nice and tight in place. Due to the internal size of the aluminum bars, this scooter is running IHC compression on those beautiful looking Lucky Huracan forks. And then fitted right in between those Lucky Huracan forks, we have the 110mm Lucky Lunar wheels. So Lucky has redesigned this deck with a fully re-engineered head tube, as well as a little bit more foot space, making it 4.5 inches wide by 19.5 inches long. So this scooter only weighs 6 pounds, which is actually 2.2 pounds lighter than last year's model. That's the type of magic we're talking about with those Lucky air bars as well as Lucky Huracan forks. So good, so amazing. Honestly, like I said, this is my personal preference for a scooter, so I think it's built perfectly for those intermediate to pro level riders, you know, just ready to push their riding to the next level. Honestly, I love this scooter. I back him 100%, so see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
What's up you guys, Raymond Warner here, and today I'm here to show you guys the all-new 2018 KOS Charge. So we're going to start off with the grips right here, which actually is a new grip that you guys haven't seen before. This is a TPR grip with the same 160mm width as well as soft compound, but the colors are completely different. It's a blue mixed with a black to match the rest of the scooter. The bar ends on the end are still the same nylon bar ends. As for the bars, we have a flat black 7 series aluminum handlebar, which come in at 23 inches wide by 25.5 inches tall. Now moving down to the clamp, this is the clamp that you guys have not actually seen before. This is a forged clamp with a raised logo on the front of it. The bolts are still a 6mm bolt to make sure that you guys don't strip out those bolts very easily, but one thing about this clamp is it will be available aftermarket in a 3-bolt SCS, so watch out for that. Moving down to the headset, this is just an integrated headset, pretty simple, black to make sure it matches the clamp and the bars. Moving down to the forks, we have an SOB V3 style fork, which is a flat black color and has IHC compression to make sure that your scooter stays nice and tight at all times. And moving down a little bit further, we have this new wheel. So you guys might be saying that looks exactly like a normal hollow core wheel that we've seen on some of the other scooters. Well, that is true, but the thing that's different about this wheel is the urethane, which is the 26mm wide by 86mm PU, glows in the dark. Moving on to the back of the scooter, we have the nylon brake and we have these nylon inserts that you guys might have noticed a little bit ago. Now, what's the reasoning behind these nylon inserts? Well, it's pretty much just to make sure that the scooter keeps its sleek profile look, and they're removable. So if you guys need to run pegs on your scooter, feel free to just take both of these things out, pop one of your pegs in there, and you're good to go. The deck is completely different than you guys are used to seeing. It's a completely different color. The designs on the bottom are absolutely awesome. You guys can see some of the yellow highlights on the bottom that are kind of like a lightning look, and the designs come up on the sides of the deck as well. I think this thing looks absolutely amazing. I love the teal jade kind of looking color on it. It looks absolutely awesome. Now, the dimensions on this deck are 4.75 inches wide by 20 inches long, so it's still big enough for a lot of kids out there that have big feet, but you can do a lot of tricks with it still because it has that lightweight feel to it. If you guys want to grab one of the new 2018 KOS Charge Completes, feel free to call one of your local dealers and ask them about availability. Again, my name is Raymond Warner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video as always, and until next time, I'm out. Later.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.